Hi guys, and welcome to the final video of the celebration of my channel reaching 100,000 subscribers. In this video we're gonna find out the two lucky winners, with each one of them winning a DW-5600E or the G-9100 Gulfman. As you can see, the GSTB200 is missing because it's already on its route to the last week's winner, Viswanath, and I asked him to confirm me once he gets the watch and to send me a short clip, so hopefully he's gonna do that. Now it's time to find out the winners of these two watches if you commented on that video. Now again, before I continue, just a short public service announcement. Do not fall for those scammers asking you to pay shipping fees claiming that you're the winner. Unless you see your name on the screen, you are not the winner. Secondly, I will never contact you via any kind of comment and ask you any money. So this giveaway, like I said, is international. I'm going to be sending these at my own expense to you. The only possible expense you might get are import duties and taxes, but that's something that your country is going to send you, not me. So I will declare them as gifts, so hopefully they're going to pass under the customs. But if the customs does get caught, if they catch them and they ask you a fee, it's probably going to be just a fraction of the value of these watches. Okay, with this out of the way, let's find out the winners. And first we're going to draw the winner for the G-9100 Gulfman. So before we begin, good luck everyone, and thank you for participating and supporting my channel. So, the Gulfman. We're going to start the phone. Let's copy the link to that video. So the second giveaway video. Let's go into the randomizer, paste the link to that video. There we go. Again, we're gonna filter duplicate users, so even if you commented a couple of times, it won't matter because you'll be pulled only once. Get YouTube comments. So let's load them up and see what happens. I don't remember how many comments were there, or at least unique comments, but it's probably going to be slightly less than in the first giveaway. Again, I would also like to congratulate Viswanath for winning that beautiful GSTB200. I hope you enjoyed the watch. As I saw in the tracking info, it just left my country, so hopefully you'll get it before Christmas as a beautiful Christmas present. Also, these two winners will hopefully get theirs before Christmas, and it's gonna make someone a happy Merry Christmas. Okay, so let's see, $299, $399. It's probably gonna speed up now as it did in the first video. $599, $699, $799. It is a bit sluggish today compared to the last time, but what can you do? It's a small price to pay. Okay, if your name gets pulled out, please contact me via the email in the description, and then I'm gonna send you a little challenge to confirm it's you, and then you're gonna send me the full address and name and all that. So if your name gets pulled out, contact me via the email. I will not be contacting you via the comments. Okay, we have 1,259 comments. Are we ready to find out the winner of the G-9100 Gulfman? Start. And the winner is Sam's Tyranny. Congrats, brother. I've been around for a while now, and the content is always great. Well deserved. Thank you, Sam's, for following my channel for a long time. Like I said, please contact me via the email in the description. So, Sam's, you just won yourself a G91 Gulfman, 9100 Gulfman. So let's find out the winner of the classic DW-5600E square. I believe there's a pick another winner, so we don't have to load it up again. Just click on pick another winner, and it's going to do it for us. The second winner is Darth Vader. Screw those scammers. I'm totally agreeing with you on that one. They really were annoying in that first video. In this second video, I guess they figured out they're not going to be scamming anyone, so they kind of gave up. But in that first video, it was almost impossible to keep them away. I would block the user, but they would just open another account. So Darth Vader, I couldn't agree more with this comment. Congratulations, you just won yourself a beautiful classic square G-Shock, and I hope it reaches you before Christmas so you can wear it proudly. Again, just like the previous winner, please contact me via the email in the description. And that's pretty much it. So we have our two winners, and this giveaway for 100,000 subscribers is officially over. But if you follow my channel, you know I do these giveaways every 10,000 subscribers. This one was a bit different, a bit more, because I gave away 3 watches. But usually I will be giving at least 1 watch for every 10,000 subscribers. So please do stay tuned. Follow the channel, and please help the channel by simply just watching the videos and not skipping ads if possible, because ad revenue is the maximum. I mean, it's the most of the revenue that I get from this channel is from ad revenue when Google plays ads before you watch my video. Anyways, that's it. So thank you all for supporting. I hope you enjoyed this one. Congratulations to the winners. To the rest of you, better luck next time, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.